To make a balloon dog, you need a certain type of balloon. One like this, a long one. So the first step to make a balloon dog is to put the balloon on the pump. Oops. It may take you a few tries like it took me at first. And I'm still having trouble blowing it up. Make sure the tip is about 2 or 3 inches not full. My dad would tie it for me.
We will let out a little bit of air so we have something to work with. We'll stretch the balloon across 2 of our fingers, go under and then across, pull it between our 2 fingers underneath, and let loose so we have a full knot.
We do not need the pump anymore. Here comes the fun part. Now that you have your balloon, you make the nose. I would prefer like right here, but you can make it as big as you want.
How many times do you turn it to make sure you keep it in place?
About 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then once you got your nose, you make the 2 ears. Twist it 5 times again. And then make the other ear. Don't worry about breaking it or stretching it. You have to pull the nose around the ears until it's in front. And now you got the nose and ears for the dog. And then you make the neck of the dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you make the 2 little front paws. And then you twist these 2 together. A couple of times. And then you have this masterpiece. It's not done yet, but you still got the neck and the front paws. Got this space left to make the body. And then the 2 other paws for the back. And then you do the same thing as you did with the front paws, but on the back paws. And voila, you got the dog. And that is how you make a balloon dog.